Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 190. Given the equations 4 to the power of y plus 3 equals 67, solve for y. We have 4 to the power of y plus 3 that equals 67. The first thing we should do is you want to isolate the y terms. So whatever the cluster including y, we will keep it. So we want to keep the 4y isolated. To isolate it, we subtract 3 both sides so that we cancel 3 minus 3 is 0. We cancel the term 3. On the right hand side, we have 67, subtract 3, that is 64. And we know that 64 is 4 cubed, which is 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. So we have 4y that equal 4 to the power of 3. If we have the same base, we have a to the power of n equal a to the power of m, then we can conclude that n is equal m. So now we have our a is 4, our n is y, our m is 3. Okay, so we conclude that y equal 3. See, we have 4 here to the power of y, and then this one to the power of 3. To make it the same, both sides, y have to be equal 3. So B is the correct answer. We can also do ln both sides. So let's say if you like to do the ln both sides, we can do ln of 4, ln of 64. Then we use the power rule. We have y equal ln of 4 equal ln of 64. Then we divide both sides by ln of 4. We cancel this. You have y equal ln 64 over ln of 4. And we know that this is, we can use the log base 4. Okay, this is log base 4 of 64. Because the formula for changing base saying that we have log base b of sum a, that will be equal ln of a over ln of b. So 64, we have log base 4 of x, so 4 to the power of x, that equals 64, and we know 64 is 4 cubed, so x equals 3. But to compare it is the best way to do in these questions. So you don't have to think so much about the ln and all the formula. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.